How to make your Instagram followers and following not visible on Instagram account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this. First option is to open your Instagram. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram account so that you won't miss out any new features. Go on the down right side. On the top right side you will see there are three vertical lines right there. Go there, and after you do that you will see the option of make your account private. So yes, the very first option is to go on account privacy and make your account private. This way nobody will be able to see your following list and followers list as well. But there is also the next step what you can do for people not to see whom you are following, and that is you can simply go on the search bar and search for any random person that you are following but you don't want people to find them. So if this is the person that I want people not to find I'm following, then simply go on the profile of that person and restrict the account of this certain person. Go on the top right side and tap on the restrict option. And after this, tap on the you will control if others can see their comments on your post and everything is written here. Tap on restrict account. Now people will not be able to know if you have followed this very person or not. Your following list will be the same, the numbers will be same, but they won't see this account on your profile when they go through your following or followers list. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.